Hi, my name is Paul from Lasermet. We are here at our manufacturing facility in Haydock. I'm going to be showing you guys how to assemble our Dolphin Pod Lite. Hey guys, this is Paul. So as you can see, everything for the Dolphin Pod Lite fits neatly into a single carry bag. So it's really easy to transport. Now I'm just taking everything out of the bag. We've got the Dolphin laser blocking curtains and all the poles we'll need to assemble the frame. I like to start building the base first. The poles simply connect together using spring button locks, so there's no need for any special tools. This is just me building the base, and you can hear the click. Once the button clicks into position, it securely holds each section together. So yes, now I'm with Peter and Phil. They're just helping me with the base. Once the base is done, we will go vertically now. Here you can see the frame is complete, and now we are attaching the laser safety curtains. A quick shout out to Peter, by the way. Thank you, Pete, for helping me out with this. So this was actually my first time assembling the Dolphin Pod Lite, and I was really surprised by how straightforward the whole process was. Okay, I think we have a quick cameo from our curtains and blinds manager, Colin, there. Hey, Colin. So yes, we're almost there. We're doing the finishing touches. And that's it. In less than 30 minutes, we've assembled a complete 2-meter by 2-meter laser safe enclosure that's ready to use. So the whole system can be disassembled and packed into a carry bag and move to wherever it's needed next.